Hello. So, are you getting the module not found error? No module name LlamaIndex.queryEngine while importing the retriever query engine? Let's fix it under 60 seconds and import the retriever query engine. So this error happens because LlamaIndex introduced changes in its latest versions. What used to be directly available in LlamaIndex has now moved to LlamaIndex.core. If you're using code from older tutorials, blogs, or examples, it might reference the outdated module paths, which is one of the reasons why these errors take place. So to resolve this error, let's quickly type in this. Instead of importing from LlamaIndex.queryEngine, we'll import the retriever query engine from LlamaIndex.core.queryEngine, which is where the retriever query engine is now stored. And if we quickly run this, we can see that the cell has executed and we do not get any module not found error. So retriever query engine, which lies under the LlamaIndex.core, has now been successfully imported. That's it, error fixed in seconds. If you're facing similar issues, check out our channel for more quick fixes and solutions. Subscribe to stay ahead and control AI before it controls us. Thank you.